In today's fast-paced world of media production, finding and managing your digital assets can be challenging. The sheer volume of media files scattered across multiple storage locations can lead to wasted time, disorganized workflows, and missed opportunities. That's why creative teams choose ShareBrowser, the powerful and easy-to-use media asset management software included with EVO. ShareBrowser provides a centralized platform where your whole team can search, preview, and organize all of your media and project files anywhere in your storage infrastructure. Here are some of the top features users love in ShareBrowser. With ShareBrowser, you can easily tag your media with relevant keywords and phrases, and search your entire storage library based on your tags. You can also set custom metadata fields to search by any criteria you want, like the client or DP. Tagging and custom metadata enable lightning-fast searches, helping you find the media you need exactly when you need it. Did you know you can access ShareBrowser from inside your favorite NLEs? ShareBrowser seamlessly integrates with Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, eliminating the need for constant application switching. Simply open the ShareBrowser extension in your NLE, and you can search, tag, comment, preview, and import your media and metadata from within your editing environment. Media assets can be hard to distinguish based solely on their file names. ShareBrowser makes it easy to preview your high-resolution media without bogging down your system resources. So even if you're working with massive, high-resolution codecs like BRAW, RedRAW, and ArrayRAW, previewing your media in ShareBrowser is fast and efficient. ShareBrowser's preview proxies are automatically generated by EVO, or you can trigger proxy creation directly from ShareBrowser if your preview isn't available yet. Did we mention you can preview media on an unmounted share? Or a drive on a shelf? Even cloud and archived media? Yeah, that too. And with the ShareBrowser web app, you don't even need to download any software to preview, browse, search, tag, and comment on your media. Ask many of our customers and they'll tell you, one of their absolute favorite features is ShareBrowser Bins. Bins help you group media that exists across different storage spaces without creating duplicates that can waste space and cause versioning issues. You can use bins to see your favorite reusable assets in one location, provide a dedicated space for collaborators to review your work, group your media by a specific client or project, access dailies, and so much more, even if those files are scattered across various shares and folders. ShareBrowser Bins are so versatile, you can use them for whatever you want. ShareBrowser is part of the award-winning EVO Suite of software tools, which comes included with EVO for unlimited users. That means your workflow will always be ready to grow with you as you take on more projects, more team members, and more creative challenges waiting for you. EVO's cloud and on-premise workflow solutions help media production teams around the world create amazing content faster from anywhere. Visit snesevo.com/ShareBrowser for more information.